Hold up, you don't know? Truck of avocado. Truck of avocado.
What's going on, YouTube? Truck Avocado coming at you with another video. Yes, sir. Did you see that just fall? I sure did saw it fall. When I first got the truck, that shit fell like 3 or 4 times. I don't know what's wrong with it, but so anyhow, right now we're in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we're headed to Tyler, Texas for pickup tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. It is currently what time is it currently? It's currently 1:08 p.m. here in Tulsa, and today's date is January 5th. So with that being said, I hope everybody had a great holiday, had a fun time with your family. If you was on the road, you know, I hope you enjoyed your time out on the road and you had, you know, got to relax a little, or you was out there making that money, baby, and that's all right. I was home with my family. I'm fortunate enough to work for a company now. I work for a pretty decent company. Like, I really do like this company. I've been here, I actually just made 2 months 60 days yesterday, on the 4th of January, and honestly it's been great. I've been learning a lot, obviously, since I've never done flatbed. You guys know, dry van and reefer, so I've been learning a lot. I'm glad to have like a great mentor, actually 2 mentors. You know, they're great people, and I just love, you know, I just love that I have that support system behind me. It hasn't been easy, I'll tell you that much. You know, with winter and everything, especially that cold storm that came around, but it's definitely been great. It's been great. I feel like I'm much more active now as well, you know. All right, let's see, we gotta go to 244 west, so we're gonna make a left up here, right here. Yep, right here. Always look at the signs. There's a car coming. I think I forgot to cover the microwave thing. Whatever. All right, nice and easy, and let's not run over the curb. Nice. All right, so I am in a 10-speed, so I'm still in the manual, which is great. It was a big learning curve to get to the 10-speed, I tell you that much. It was a big learning curve to use the 10 to, you know, to go from an 18 to a 10 speed. So turn on our blinker here. So let's see what's up for store. So I lost my external hard drive, so it's somewhere. I didn't lose it. I put it away so well in the truck that I now cannot find it, and I remember seeing it for the longest on top of the table, and I'm like, maybe I should put it away, maybe I should put it away, maybe I should put it away. But I left it there because I knew it was there, and lo and behold, I put it away one day, and now I put it away so well I can't even find it. So yeah, it's stupid. So I do have up there, I got a mount on the passenger side mirror that faces back, so you guys be able to be with me when I'm getting loaded and stuff like that. You guys can see them load the truck and all that stuff. Also, you know, turn cams, backing cams, all that good stuff, all that good stuff. And we're gonna go ahead and get in the right lane because I need to get off in about, I don't know, about 4 miles or so. So let's see if we can let's see if we can get. Let's see if somebody lets us over. And there it goes. All right, we're gonna. So. All right, perfect. So, let's see. Oh, this load, by the way, is going to Henderson, Nevada. I don't know if I told you guys that. Coming out of Tyler, Texas. So, with that being said, with my hard drive situation, my external hard drive, we're gonna keep looking for it. If not, then I just gotta kind of make a new intro, a new outro, which is not hard. I would like to buy another one though, because having all those videos saved on my laptop would be detrimental to my storage on my laptop. And yeah, so anyways, with that being said, guys, I guess I'm gonna see you guys at Love's. We're filling up at a Love's. Haven't done that in a while. We normally don't fill up at Love's here. Normally it's usually Pilot, but Pilots and Love's, never TAs. So speed limit is 65 and I'm going 57. Oh my gosh, let's speed this bad boy up. Let's put the pedal to the metal, baby. All right, with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys at Love's for fuel time. We're gonna fill up this bad boy. We're gonna be at about maybe half a tank when we get there, because this Love's is only about maybe 50 miles away-ish, 50-ish miles away. So we're gonna fill this bad boy up, and this bad boy has bigger tanks than what I had on the W900 or the T680 from CFI when I was driving over at CFI. So this bad boy has 150 gallon tanks on both sides, which is kind of similar, which is not very, it's the same exact tanks that I actually had on the Freightliner Classic, that you guys obviously know the story too. So these roads are bumpy over here. We're gonna get rolling. I'm gonna turn on some tunes, and I'll see you guys at Love's. All right, let's go on and get some fuel up at this Love's here in about half a mile. And I'm still not sure how you pronounce this town. It's Okmulgee, Okmulgee, Okmulgee. I don't know. Somewhere in Oklahoma on US 75. Whatever. All right, let's put our turn signal on. That dude's an ass. Trucks only right here. All right, perfect. And then we're gonna go to Walmart, which is about 4 miles down the road, or about 3 miles down the road. Gotta grab a couple things, some milk, some ham and cheese, some cold cuts and stuff like that. All right, let's get some fuel, baby. Come out and stay wide. There's only 4 fuel lanes. All right, so we're gonna go behind this guy. Looks like he's almost done. All right, well, let's get the pump started. And forget how to start a Love's pump. I haven't used Love's in so long. I believe I gotta wait for him to finish, but all right, let's get started then. All right, let's get some fuel. We are at pump 17. Let's get our gloves here. I know this is a disaster in here. It's not this thing is a disaster right here. We're working on it, maybe. I don't know if that statement is true or false, but we'll figure it out. Alright, we're gonna fill this bad boy up. Come around this way. Alright. Go ahead and undo that one. Put that in there, and just we're gonna go clean some windows now. All right, so we're at 92 gallons. We're gonna fill her up to the tippy top. Gotta get a truck wash. So we'll see maybe if we do that today. But I know the place that I'm going to is all dirty and muddy and stuff like that. So honestly, might not even be worth it. Alright, so 94 gallons, and that is all she wrote. We're gonna move up, we're gonna go inside and use the restroom, and we're gonna keep going. Well, we're gonna go to Walmart. Alright, we are at Walmart, parked here in the back across from the docks, not in anybody's way. Let's go shopping. Alright, good morning guys. It is now wherever my watch is. Let's go get my watch. Oh fuck, I forgot to take that off. Where's my watch? Right there. Kind of a bit, not messy, but I kind of went to Walmart yesterday, and yeah, kind of went to Walmart yesterday. I also was tired, so I have a bit. It's not messy. I gotta organize some things. All right, today is the 6th. We're gonna grab my glasses, and we did our pre-trip and everything already. Let's get out of here. Supposed to be at pickup at. This fucking guy. This guy parked like next to me, kind of, also at an angle, and sleep last night sucked because his hair dryer kept going off. We gotta go this way, because I need to make a left. I need to go straight down, so I'd rather make a left at the light. That guy's hair dryer was going off all night. He got here like way after me, and I woke up at 3 in the morning to like pee or something. And dude, that's like the worst, is when somebody parks next to you and their air dryer is just going off every 5 minutes because they got a leak somewhere. It sucks. It sucks balls, man. It really does. So anyhow, we're having a good morning. I didn't get much sleep last night anyways. It was hard for me. It was hard for me to go back to sleep. Wow, they really cut that dead end off. They should have just, why wouldn't they should let us park there, man. Jeez. So turn these on. We're not in the parking lot anymore. So anyways, we are in Tyler, Texas this morning. Anyways, yeah, so I woke up like at 3, and after I woke up at 3, it was actually really hard for me to go to sleep. So there's that. Alright, we're gonna make a left up here. Anyhow, with that being said, of course I got the TDP app going, but I know where I'm going. I literally just got to go about 3 miles down the road, pretty much. So with that being said, guys, I will see you guys loading. Alright, so we're about half a mile away now from where we're gonna make this right turn, which is up at this light here. And we had to come back around because I don't know what happened exactly, but I missed my turn first time around, so I had to go down and find a way to turn around. So we're not gonna miss it this time. I don't know what happened. I'm not sure exactly. All right, we're gonna make this right here. All right, and then the entrance is literally just gonna be straight ahead. And yep, we are here, Tyler Pike in Tyler, Texas. Fitting name, ain't it? All right, so we're just gonna keep going straight. So let me go ahead and check in, and I'll be with you guys in a jiffy.
Until tomorrow, it's fading now. I don't know when you're young and wild. There's still our eyes on you, they're watching over. Keep your composure, be your controller. Circle round and round we went. Could you take me home again? Fireworks all in your eyes, telling me that it's alright. Till the clock runs out of eyes on you. When the sun goes down, it's just too soon. Won't you take me away? Oh, I can't refuse it. Give me your soul before you lose it.
What's going on, YouTube? So right now we are at Target in Amarillo, Texas. I had to go to Best Buy, which is across the street, to buy another hard drive because I never found the one that I had. So like I said, we're on our 34 right now. So you guys will be kind of getting a little bit more of these videos as well, where I kind of go out into town and whatnot. Not necessarily this week as far as like going out. But my Uber's here. So with that being said, I'm going to see you guys next week. Yeah, I got Starbucks. That's why I came to Target. So I'm going to see you guys next week. Peace.
Not right now.